Welcome. In today's video, we're going to tackle a common issue many LinkedIn users face: voice messages not downloading. If you're experiencing this problem, don't worry. We have a series of steps to help you resolve it quickly and efficiently. First, check your internet connection. A stable connection is crucial for downloading voice messages. To do this, open your device's settings and click on the network icon. Make sure you're connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network or that your mobile data is active. If your internet seems fine, the next step is to close the app and reopen it. Sometimes simply restarting the app can clear up minor glitches that prevent voice messages from downloading. Still having trouble? Ask the sender to resend the voice message. Occasionally, the message may not have been sent correctly, and a quick resend can solve the issue. Next, restart your device. This can clear temporary files and refresh the system, which often helps with app-related problems. Once your device is back on, open the LinkedIn app again and check if you can download the voice message now. If you're still facing issues, it's time to clear the app cache. Head over to your device settings and find LinkedIn Settings. From there, click on Clear Data, then choose Clear Cache. Confirm this action, and it will remove any corrupted files that may be causing the problem. After clearing the cache, reopen LinkedIn and see if you can access those voice messages now. If none of these steps work, consider checking for any updates for the LinkedIn app in your App Store. Sometimes updates include fixes for bugs that could be affecting functionality. By following these steps, checking your internet connection, restarting the app and device, asking for a resend, and clearing the cache, you should be able to resolve any issues with downloading voice messages on LinkedIn. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.